An object rolling on the floor comes to rest after covering some distance. Do you know why? Yes, it is due to the external force called friction, which produces a change in the state of motion. Again, a cup of tea kept on the table. Unless it is disturbed by someone, by the application of a force. Have you ever thought that why an object, without the help of an external force, cannot change its state of rest or of uniform motion along a straight line? The answer is very simple, that it is the property of the body. This property is assigned a name: inertia. Let us understand by taking examples from daily life. Here we can see the football is in the state of rest. It comes into motion when non-zero external force is applied on it. Again, we can see that football in uniform motion comes to rest when a non-zero external force is applied on it. Hence, it is due to inertia, by virtue of which objects are unable to change their state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line without the help of an external force. Do you know that the inertia of a body is measured by the mass of the body? Let us see how. Here we can see that car and cycle are moving with the same speed. A big force is required to stop the car than that to stop a cycle. Hence, mass of body is a measure of inertia. Inertia can be classified into three categories: inertia of rest, inertia of motion, inertia of direction. Let us understand each one of them with an example. Inertia of rest is the inability of the body to change by itself, its state of rest. Let's see how. Here we can see that an egg is placed on a plate, covering the glass. Now what do you think, where the egg will go when a plate is struck by the person with a force? The plate slips away and the egg falls into the glass. This is due to inertia of rest. That egg remained in its position and hence fell into the glass. Let us now take an example of inertia of motion. Inertia of motion is the inability of the body to change by itself its state of uniform motion. Have you ever noticed that an athlete runs a certain distance before taking a long jump? This is due to inertia of motion, because velocity acquired by running is added to the velocity of the athlete at the time of jump. Hence, he is able to jump over a long distance. Let us now discuss inertia of direction with an example. Inertia of direction is the inability of the body to change by itself its direction of motion. Have you ever noticed that rotating wheels of any vehicles throw out mud tangentially? This is due to directional inertia. The mud guards over the wheels stop allowing the mud to fall on the rider's clothes.